How's it going, everyone? Today I'm in the great city of North Carolina. Never been here before, but so far I'm a huge fan because I just paid for all-day parking for $12. That's unheard of. Why can't more cities do all-day parking for 12 bucks? The city of Charlotte is actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but it's actually really nice. It's super clean, the people are super nice, the weather's really good. So I'm really looking forward to checking out what Charlotte has to offer. Alright, so I've never even seen a NASCAR race my entire life, but today I'm going to the NASCAR Hall of Fame. Why am I going? No idea. Woo! Need for speed! Yeah! This guy behind me keeps looking at my butt. It's raining, so I'm shielding myself with this weird looking art piece. I feel ridiculous.